Here are the top 50 Linux commands. Ready? Let's begin. Kicking off our list, we have the first 10 commands, starting with ls, the list command, which allows you to view files and directories in your current location. Then there's cd, the change directory command, your best friend for navigating through the file system. Next up we have pwd, or print working directory, which tells you exactly where you are in the system. Moving along, we have touch, a handy command to create new empty files. mkdir, short for make directory, does exactly what it says. It creates new directories. The cp command is used to copy files or directories, while mv is used to move or rename them. Then there's rm, the remove command, used to delete files and directories. Be careful with this one. Locate and find are incredibly useful for finding files and directories, with locate searching the entire system and find being a bit more specific. Well done. You've mastered the first 10 commands. Ready for the next 10 commands? Here they come. First up, we have cat. This command is used to view the content of files. Next is more. It's similar to cat, but it shows one page at a time. Less goes a step further, allowing you to navigate both forwards and backwards in the file. Then we have head and tail. Head shows you the first few lines of a file, while tail shows you the last few. Next is grep. This command is for searching text. Use it to find specific strings within a file. The wc command counts words, lines, and characters in a file. Sort will sort the lines in text files. Cut is used for cutting out sections from each line of files. And lastly, df. This command reports the amount of disk space used by file systems. Congratulations, you're now familiar with 20 Linux commands. Let's continue our journey with the next set of commands. First we have do, which stands for disk usage. It helps us understand the amount of disk space used by a file or directory. Free is the command you'd use to check the amount of free and used memory in the system. Top is a real-time command providing a dynamic, live view of the running system. PS, short for process status, displays information about currently running processes. Who is a handy command that shows who is logged onto your system. Uname provides basic information about your system's software and hardware. Man, short for manual, provides a detailed explanation of other Linux commands. Echo is used to display a line of text or string, while date displays the current date and time. Lastly, the cal command shows the calendar of the current month. Great job! You've now learned 30 Linux commands. Moving forward, we have the next 10 commands. Let's dive in. Uptime shows how long the system has been running and the number of users currently logged in. W provides a more detailed view of the current users and their processes. History lists the commands you've previously entered, a handy tool for recalling complex commands. Next up, alias allows you to create shortcuts for longer commands. Command changes the permissions of a file or directory, while chown changes the owner. Passyd is used to update a user's authentication information, making it crucial for security. Our next command, kill, halts a process. Ping sends packets to a network address to check its availability. Lastly, curl allows you to transfer data to or from a server using various protocols. Excellent! You've successfully familiarized yourself with 40 Linux commands. And now, for the final stretch, the last 10 commands. wget helps download files from the web. SSH lets you securely access remote servers. With tar, zip, and unzip you can manage compressed files. VE and nano are text editors. Sudo executes commands with superuser privileges. apt-get and yum are used for package management. And there you have it, the top 50 Linux commands. With these commands at your disposal, you're well on your way to mastering Linux. Let me know which commands I missed in a comment below.